Expert says Bitcoin could hit 100,000 in 2022. Here's what investors should know. What's going on, guys? It is Hakimi. I'm back yet with another video. Will Bitcoin hit 100,000 in 2022? This is the question on everybody's mind. Like, will crypto go up? Will Bitcoin go further? On my today video, I'm going to talk about it, and I'm going to talk, and also I'm going to show you how this will happen, how Bitcoin will hit $100,000 in 2022. Although it has been a rocky start to the year for Bitcoin, but experts still say it will hit 100,000. That it is more a matter of when and not if. As you guys can see here, Bitcoin price continued to hover near 38,000 Monday. Investors wrestle with concern over the rising inflation, geopolitical tensions, and the possibility of tighter monetary policy by the U.S. Federal Reserve. The crypto market has increasingly tracked to the stock market in recent months, which makes it even more intertwined with the global economic factors such as those stemming from Russia war in Ukraine. Minutes from the Federal March meeting showed it is planned to shrink its balance sheet by 95 billion each month to combat inflation, and there could be further volatility across the risk asset after the Federal Monetary Policy meeting on Tuesday and Wednesday. Additionally, the latest inflation report showed that consumer price rose 8.5% in the year through March. With no end inside the war, inflation and the shifting monetary policy in the US will likely to continue to drive more volatility in the coming weeks and months, experts says. The overall market has noticed the high correlation to Bitcoin and generally equity market, says Armando Agularo, head of alternative strategy and research for Leiden and digital asset saving and credit platform. And the S&P 500 and Nasdaq have had the largest correlations to Bitcoin with 0.88 and 0.91% respectively. A correlation of one means they move equally on the other. Bitcoin has only been above 45,000 for few short stretches over the past. Bitcoin has only been above 45,000 for few short stretch over the past few months, and has been above above 50,000 since December 2015-2021. Still, Bitcoin has stayed above at the 6-month low below 34,000 in late January. Amid the up and down, Bitcoin currently prices long way off from the latest all-time high it hit in November when it went over 68,000. But even with the recent decline, the price Bitcoin is still more than twice valuable as it was just a couple of years ago. For Bitcoin, these kind of ups and downs are nothing new. Despite the volatility and recent slumping price, many experts still say Bitcoin is on its way to pressing the 100,000 mark, though with varying opinions on exactly when that will happen. A recent study by Deutsche Bank found that about a quarter of Bitcoin investors believe Bitcoin price will be over 110,000 in 5 years. The volatility is nothing new and is big reason experts say new crypto investors should be extremely cautious when allocating a part of their portfolio in cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has shown its steady rise value over the years. As any other cryptocurrency on the market, it's only reasonable for Bitcoin investors to be curious about how high it can ultimately go. Unfortunately, Bitcoin price is extremely difficult to predict and even more susceptible and even more susceptible to market factor than the more established asset classes. But we decided to ask some experts of these best guys, and here's what we should say. It was easy to predict 100,000 Bitcoin price late last year, coming off its all-time high in November. With Bitcoin is a big fall since then. Prediction game is over. Even trickier. The most extreme crypto skeptics say Bitcoin will tank as a low 10,000 in 2022, but a middle ground might be to say that the crypto can still climb to 100,000 like many experts predicted late last year. Just a slower timeline. The most knowledgeable educator in the space and predicting 100,000 Bitcoin in 2021 or sooner, Kate Woolman, a New York-based certified public accountant who specialized in crypto, told us back in November 2021. But now bullish experts revealing the crypto industry altogether as major corruption. Like Nike and other big brands are looking at ways to monetize their product in digital metaverse. The rise of metaverse games, world product and experiences increasing in the popularity of Bitcoin, which has changed investor sentiments about Bitcoin, known as the original crypto. Many experts are hesitant to predict the number and date, but rather point out to the trend of Bitcoin increasing its value over time. Investors should expect pretty sustainable raise Bitcoin long-term value driven by organic market movement with 100,000 threshold in sight, predicted during Timur, director of Global Micro Fidelity Investment last October. What I expect from Bitcoin is volatility in the short term and growth in the long term, says Kenyal Dane, founder of Invest Devo and author of Cryptocurrency Investing for Demos. Here are some more prediction we found ranked from low to high. Lynn Blaney, point of view, Bitcoin investor and founder of Crypto Research and other crypto media token Metro. Production Bitcoin can go to 100,000, 100, but the timeline is unclear. Before I end my video, I want to say that this is not financial advice. However, I just want to put you guys the place where I am today. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and I would really appreciate it if you click the subscribe button. And please, before buying or purchasing any cryptocurrency, do your own research.